Hi, my name's Angus from the Ramsdens watch department. In this video we're going to be talking about how to use the tachymeter bezel on a chronograph watch. Now, for this example we'll be using the Omega Speedmaster Moon Phase, which features the tachymeter bezel around the case of the watch. Now, the purpose of the tachymeter bezel is to measure speed over a known distance. For example, to use the tachymeter bezel to measure the average speed of a car over a known distance, let's say a mile for example, you would press the top pusher, which would start the chronograph counter. So you can see the main chronograph seconds hand has begun counting down the scale around the tachymeter bezel. Now, for example, say you are in a very, very fast car and you have hit the mile mark. Now you will press the top pusher when you hit the mark, and you can see there that is pointing at just past 200 miles an hour. And then for, say, a repeat run or to confirm your findings, you can then press the reset button, and then the watch is ready to measure the average speed again.